Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with reviews on this and that. I am your host Chris. So today I am doing an unboxing and a review of this awesome looking Renogy extremely flexible 100 watt monocrystalline solar panel. So this should be pretty interesting. I've been waiting to get this in the mail, honestly. This is a big package. I'd say it's about 3 to 3.5 feet tall by maybe like 22 to 24 inches wide. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. It seems to be packed pretty well, honestly. It came with, let me show you guys. It came with, it actually has one of these styrofoam in each corner. I actually just opened the box. Oops. And there's 2 on the bottom and 2 on top of these styrofoams. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Let me pull this out. All right guys, so here we have this awesome, extremely flexible, that's how it is advertised, extremely flexible 100 watt solar panel by Renogy. This is the monocrystalline, it's made from monocrystalline cells. And this is a very interesting unit. Honestly, I've been so waiting for this to come in the mail every single day. And this is very light. When I mean light, I mean this panel is somewhere between 5 and 6 pounds, and it seems to be well built and durably made. And what's interesting is that this it's got these grommets that are built in. You got 1 in each corner, then you also have some in the middle. You have 1 on the right, oh, excuse me, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. And then you have your MC4 cables, which is great. They are a kind of a bit short, but I mean, obviously that's kind of normal with solar panels. So most people end up getting an MC4 extension cable. I will list that in the description for you guys. But this is what you basically need. Obviously you have your negative and your positive cable here. And let's go ahead and look at the back of the solar panel. I just want to point out something about this panel, that it is so thin. I hope I can focus in on this. Look at this. I mean, this thing is not even a 1/4 inch thick. I would say it's 0.25 inches thick, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, it is very thin. And the backing of it is actually made out of white plastic, which I am surprised. So this is the back of the solar panel, which is very interesting. It's all white, but again, it is built well and also durable, but it is extremely flexible. And you can see back here, let me try to see if I can make this clear. And you can see here it says it's made by Renogy, obviously. It's module type RNG 100 dBH. The maximum power at STC is 100 watts. The open circuit voltage is 22.5 volts. We have a short circuit current of 5.75 amps. And then optimum operating voltage 18.9 volts. Max system voltage is 600 VDC. Fire rating class C. The weight is actually I do apologize. The weight is 1.9 kilograms or 4.2 pounds. The dimensions are 48 inches by 21.6 inches by 0.08 inches. Again, I apologize. Earlier I had the wrong dimensions. And that's just some basic instructions right there. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. So of course the most important thing is the voltage and the ampage and the watts. And then of course, you know, the weight does matter. I mean, this thing is very light. I can easily pick it up with one hand. So yeah, I'll be hooking this up to my system here soon. And let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around, because I thought I had it upside down earlier, but I didn't. Yeah, this is a beautiful looking panel. I like how the solar cells are put together. And these are some nice heavy duty MC4 cables. You have one here, you have the other here. And obviously you'll need to buy a set of extension cables, MC4 extension cables. And here you have your voltage controller. You have 2 of these, one for positive, one for negative. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have a similar solar panel putting out 100 watts or a different type of wattage. And then let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Now, if you are interested in such a awesome looking and amazing solar panel, obviously from a reputable company, which is Renogy, they have so many different solar products. Check out the description. I will leave the extension cable for the MC4 cables for this panel, and the link to the panel itself in the description below. Let me know what you guys think. If you found any benefits in this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. I would definitely appreciate that. I know it doesn't cost you anything, but it means a whole lot to me. So thanks for watching, and up until then, I will see you guys next time with another solar video next time. Have a great day.